The new Honda Civic receives some minor cosmetic modifications to keep its design cutting edge for 2025. The new model year is visually distinguished from the previous year's Civic by revised headlamps and a redesigned bumper. The addition of the Civic Hybrid is more significant. The hybrid powertrain is available as an option on the Sport trim level and standard on the Sport Touring trim level. The non-hybrid vehicle, currently available exclusively in LX and Sport grades, will be powered by a non-turbo 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine. Last year's turbocharged 1.5-liter has been phased out. The Civic hatchback no longer has a manual gearbox, therefore stick shift is only available on the sportier Civic C and Civic Type R variants. The pricing of the 2025 Honda Civic is anticipated to range from $26,000 to $31,000, depending on trim and extras. The Civic sedan and hatchback models both seat 5 people, and the rear seat is spacious enough to accommodate 2 adults without being too crowded. The cabin has clean lines and a dashboard with a full-width honeycomb pattern mesh design element that cleverly hides the air vents. All models come standard with heated seats, a sunroof, and dual-zone climate control. The wide center console offers plenty of room for storage, including a large, deep bin ahead of the shift lever for stashing smartphones, keys, and road trip snacks. The Civic sedan's trunk can accommodate a large grocery haul or enough suitcases for a road trip. The hatchback body style offers an even more spacious cargo hold. The infotainment touchscreen on the Honda Civic is 7.0 inches as standard. However, a bigger 9.0 inches and a 10.2-inch digital gauge display are available. Standard features like Wi-Fi connecting and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are available when paired with a bigger screen. A Bose music system, in-dash navigation, and a wireless smartphone charging pad are other available options. The Civic sedan's trunk space of 14.8 cubic feet is above average for the small car class, with enough of storage for several bags of groceries or a few pieces of carry-on luggage. Drivers in need of extra capacity might choose the Civic hatchback, which has 24.5 cubic feet of space. These versions also have a wide entrance for easy loading and unloading of bulky objects. Folding the rear seats provides enough room for a regular mountain or road bike. The 2.0-liter, four-cylinder engine in the Civic Hybrid's electrified powertrain generates 200 horsepower when combined with 2 electric motors. The Accord Hybrid and CR-V Hybrid versions feature a similar setup. Unlike the CR-V, the Civic Hybrid's hybrid powertrain is exclusively available with front-wheel drive. A driver-selectable regenerative braking technology is included to help keep the Civic Hybrid's battery charged, although we're not sure if one-pedal driving is conceivable. Front-wheel drive, a continuously variable automatic transmission, and a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with 158 horsepower are standard on the non-hybrid Civic. Although the Civic is most comfortable in urban areas, this combination does not produce very fast acceleration times. However, it seems lively enough to keep up with traffic in the city. We anticipate that the Civic will continue to offer its agile handling, communicative steering, and smooth ride. At the test track, our turbocharged touring sedan reached 60 miles per hour in 7.5 seconds, which is somewhat slower than the output of the previous generation Civic. The manual sport touring hatchback we tested was marginally faster, taking 7.3 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour. According to the EPA, the mid-range version of the 2025 Civic X is the most fuel efficient, with ratings of 33 miles per gallon in the city, 42 miles per gallon on the highway, and 36 miles per gallon combined. The Civic Sport hatchback averaged 36 miles per gallon on a 75 mile per hour highway route. The 2025 Honda Civic is equipped with a number of safety features, such as automatic high beams, rear cross-traffic alert, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, keep assist lane alert, rear view camera, traffic sign recognition, forward collision warning, front and rear parking sensors, and rear seat alert.